Ahoy and welcome to 23 Brialka Court, Cooroy. You are going to love this one. Come with me and take a look. This beautiful property offers views of Mount Cooroora and Black Mountain, set in an elevated position privately and peacefully at the end of a cul-de-sac, and the home is at the top of the concrete driveway with wheelchair access. There's 4 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in robes and ceiling fans, and the main bedroom has a walk-in robe and ensuite. Very spacious open plan living areas with floating timber floor and a supersized carpeted lounge room with surround sound speakers and air conditioning. And remember, if you can't find me, I'll be right here enjoying that stunning view. I'm Sam from Hargrave Real Estate, and we look forward to seeing you soon.